Barchaga assalomu alaykum. Siz bilan ko'rishmaganimizga ham bir oydan sal-pal oshibdi. Bugun mana shu xatoni to'g'rilashga harakat qilamiz va buning uchun biz siz bilan The Lion King, ya'ni o'sha Qirol Sher deb nomlangan, hammamiz sevib tomosha qilgan multfilmdan parchalarni eshitib, tahlil va tarjima qilamiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz boshladik.
Zazu,
Yes, sire?
take Nala home. I've got to teach my son a lesson.
Okay. Zazu qushni ismi ekan. Take Nala home dedi. Bizda mana shu verb object formulasi biz eshitadigan, tahlil qiladigan gaplarda juda ham ko'p keladi, adashmasam. Demak, Nalani uyga olib bor yoki-da uyga olib ket degan tarjimani beradi. Take Nala home. Tushunarli? Undan keyin I've got to teach my son a lesson deyapti. Men o'g'limga bir darsni o'rgatishim kerak. Ya'ni o'g'limga dars berishim kerak bir narsa bo'yicha degan ma'noda. Have got to yoki da got to bu kerak degan tarjimani beradi. Teach o'rgatishim, my son o'g'limga a lesson darsni. Tushunarli? Qaytadan eshitamiz.
Zazu,
Yes, sire?
take Nala home. I've got to teach my son a lesson.
Come, Nala. Simba? Good luck.
Come Nala. Nala ketdik. Bu yerda endi men bilan yur degan ma'noda. Undan keyin Simbaga qarab nima dedi? Omad tilayman. Ya'ni good luck degani omad tilamoq.
Simba, Simba, I'm very disappointed in you.
Okay. Simba, I am very disappointed in you, at you. Demek, Simba, hafsalam sendan pir bo'ldi. Ya'ni mana bu disappointed at, disappointed in bu hafsalasi pir bo'lmoq. Ya'ni sen meni ishonchimda oqlamading degan mana shunaqa ma'noda kelyapti.
Simba, I'm very disappointed in you.
I know.
You could have been killed.
You could have been killed. Seni o'ldirib ketishlari mumkin edi. Ya'ni sen o'ldirishing mumkin emas, seni o'ldirib ketishlari mumkin edi. Chunki mana bu yerda been killed bo'lyapti. Ya'ni bu passive voice, ya'ni mashhur nisbat. Mashhur nisbatda biz fe'lni bajaruvchisini, ya'ni mana bu killni bajaruvchisini by object pronoun bilan beramiz yoki-da fe'lning bajaruvchisi noma'lum bo'ladi mashhur nisbatda. Mana bu yerda egiga nisbatan ish harakat bajarilyapti. Ya'ni mana bu killni mana bu you bajarmayapti. Ya'ni sen o'ldirishing mumkin edi demayapti. Yo'q. Mana bu kill senga nisbatan bajarilyapti. Ya'ni seni o'ldirib ketishlari mumkin edi deyapti.
Simba, I'm very disappointed in you.
I know.
You could have been killed. You deliberately disobeyed me.
You deliberately disobeyed me. Demak, disobey degani bo'ysunmaslik degani. Obey degani bo'ysunmoq. Disobey bo'ysunmaslik. Tushunarli? Demak, deliberately degani knowingly degani, ya'ni bilgan holda, bilib turib menga bo'ysunmading deyapti otasi.
Disappointed in you.
I know.
You could have been killed. You deliberately disobeyed me. And what's worse, you put Nala in danger.
Okay. And what's worse? Va bundan ham yomoni deymiz biz o'zbek tilida. Shu inglizlar bundan ham yomoni shuki, mana bu what's aynan o'sha shuki ma'nosida kelyapti. Tushunarlimi? Bundan ham yomoni shuki, you put Nala in danger. Sen Nalani ham o'sha xavf ostida qoldirding. Ya'ni Nalani ham xavfga qo'yding. Put someone in danger degani demak xavfga qo'ymoq, xavf ostida qoldirmoq degan ma'noni berar ekan. Qaytadan eshitamiz.
Simba, I'm very disappointed in you.
I know.
You could have been killed. You deliberately disobeyed me. And what's worse, you put Nala in danger.
I was just trying to be brave like you.
Okay. I was just trying to be brave like you. Bu yerda qarang, he's deb berdi, lekin yerda I edi o'zi asli. Bu YouTube'ning o'zini o'sha subtitle'i mana bu yerda yoqib qo'ydim. Xato qilib ham chiqarib turadi, chunki bilmayman nimaga. Hali menimcha algoritmlar unchalik yaxshi ishlamasa kerak. Demak, I was trying to be brave like you. Sizga o'xshab men jasur bo'lishga harakat qilayotgandim. Trying to be harakat qilayotgandim. Brave like you. Like you. Sizga o'xshab brave, jasur bo'lishga. Mana shunaqa ma'noda kelyapti.
Nala in danger.
I was just trying to be brave like you.
I'm only brave when I have to be.
Okay. I'm only brave. I am only brave when I have to be. Men faqatgina mendan talab qilinganida jasurman. Ya'ni men qachonki jasur bo'lishim kerak bo'lsagina jasurman. Boshqa paytlar unchalik ham jasurlik ko'rsatmayman degan ma'noda. Have to be, boya biz have to da, boya boshida have got to degan so'z aytgan, o'sha qo'shimcha kerak degan tarjimani beradi dedik. Have to ham o'sha have got to ning sinonimi, ya'ni kerak degan ma'noni beradi. Brave deb biz tarjimasini qildik. Only degani faqatgina ma'nosida kelyapti. Demak, men faqatgina jasur bo'lishim kerak bo'lganida nimaman? O'sha jasurman. Mana bu when qachonki men jasur bo'lishim kerak bo'lsa, o'shanda nima? Jasurman degan ma'noni beryapti.
Very disappointed in you.
I know.
You could have been killed. You deliberately disobeyed me. And what's worse, you put Nala in danger.
I was just trying to be brave like you.
I'm only brave when I have to be. Simba, being brave doesn't mean you go looking for trouble.
Okay. Simba, being brave doesn't mean you go looking for trouble. Demak, look for degani izlamoq degani, trouble degani qiyinchiliklar. Go look for trouble degani qiyinchilik izlab ketmoq degani. Demak, being brave doesn't mean dedi. Jasur bo'lish anglatmaydi sen borib qiyinchilik izlashingni degan ma'noda. Ya'ni jasur bo'lish kerak degani sen boshingga muammo orttirishing kerak degani emas, degan ma'noda aytyapti-da.
Being brave doesn't mean you go looking for trouble.
But you're not scared of anything.
Okay. But you're not scared of anything. Demak, to be scared of degani biror narsadan qo'rqmoq degani. To be scared, you get to be scared of something. Bo'lsa, biror narsadan qo'rqmoq bo'ladi. Demak, but you are not scared of anything deyapti. Siz hech narsadan qo'rqmaysiz-ku deyapti. Lekin siz hech narsadan qo'rqmaysiz deyapti.
Doesn't mean you go looking for trouble.
But you're not scared of anything.
I was today.
You were.
Okay. I was today dedim, lekin Simba you were deb so'radi. I was today, men bugun qo'rqdim. Ya'ni bugun men qo'rqdim degan. Lekin bachasi rostdanmi deyapti. Ya'ni you were scared of something degan ma'noda-da. Tushunarlimi? Ya'ni siz qo'rqdingizmi biror narsadan?
But you're not scared of anything.
I was today.
You were.
Yes. I thought I might lose you.
Okay. I thought I might lose you. Tushunarlimi? Demak, o'ylaganimki seni yo'qotaman deb, seni yo'qotishim mumkin deb. Tushunarli? I might lose you degani seni yo'qotishim mumkin. I thought o'ylagandim. Ya'ni seni yo'qotishim mumkin deb o'ylagan edim.
Today.
You were.
Yes. I thought I might lose you.
I guess even kings get scared, huh?
Okay. I guess menimcha, taxminimcha even kings get scared. Ha deyapti. Ha endi bu shunchaki qo'shimcha, ya'ni ha degan ma'noda. Shundaymi degan ma'noda sipa. Demak, demak hattoki qirollar ham qo'rqar ekanda degan ma'noda kelyapti bu yerda. Get scared degani qo'rqmoq ma'nosida keladi.
Lose you.
I guess even kings get scared, huh? But you know what?
What?
I think those hyenas were even scarier.
But you know what deyapti, bachas, ya'ni lekin bilasizmi nima? You know what? Bilasizmi nima? I think dedi, adashmasam, I think those hyenas were even scared. Hattoki o'sha shoqollar ham qo'rqib ketishdi. Menimcha hattoki shoqollar ham qo'rqishdi. Ya'ni shakal deymiz, bo'rining chiya bo'ri deydimi? Qanaqadir bo'ri xullas kalom. Hattoki ular ham qo'rqib ketishdi ma'nosida kelyapti.
I guess even kings get scared, huh? But you know what?
What?
I think those hyenas were even scarier.
'Cause nobody messes with your dad. Come here.
Okay. 'Cause nobody messes with your dad. To mess with someone degani kimdir bilan o'chaklashmoq ma'nosida. O'chaklashmoq degan so'z bor. Shunaqa ma'no, ya'ni kimdir bilan xullas kalom tortishmoq ma'nosida. 'Cause nobody, chunki hech kim messes with your dad. Seni dadang bilan o'chaklashmaydi, seni dadang bilan tortishmaydi. Shunaqa ma'noda. Undan keyin come here dedimi? Kela qol degan ma'noda. Yana o'sha come here verb object da buyruq beryapti, kela qol deb.
You.
Oh no!
What?
I think those hyenas were even scarier.
'Cause nobody messes with your dad. Come here, you.
Oh no! Come here. Dad? We're pals, right?
Right.
Okay. We're pals, right? Pal degani bu do'stlar degan ma'noni beradi. Dada, biz do'stlarmiz, shundaymi deyapti.
And we'll always be together, right?
And we'll always be together, right? Va biz hamisha birga bo'lamiz, shundaymi? Be always together. We will be always together. Biz hamisha birga bo'lamiz, shundaymi?
We're pals, right?
Right.
And we'll always be together, right?
Simba, let me tell you something that my father told me.
Okay. Let me tell you something that my father told me. Simba, meni dadam menga aytgan narsani senga aytishga ruxsat ber. Yokida kel senga menga dadam aytib bergan narsani aytib beray degan ma'noda.
Simba, let me tell you something that my father told me. Look at the stars.
Look at the stars. Yulduzlarga qara. Yana o'sha verb object formulasi, ya'ni look at verb, the stars, noun. Ya'ni object ichiga kiradigan o'sha ot, noun. Verb object buyruq beryapti. Yulduzlarga qara.
The great kings of the past look down on us from those stars.
Okay. The great kings of the past look down on us from the stars. O'tmishning buyuk qirollari yulduzlardan bizga qarashadi. Ya'ni look down da bizga yulduzlardan qarashadi. Tepadan pastga qarashadi degan ma'noda kelyapti hozir bu yerda. Okay. Of the past degani o'tmishning da great kings o'sha buyuk qirollar. Look down tepadan pastga qaramoq ekan. On us bizga from those stars o'sha yulduzlardan.
Something that my father told me. Look at the stars. The great kings of the past look down on us from those stars.
Really?
Yes. So whenever you feel alone,
Really? Rostdanmi dedi bachasi. Undan keyin Simba yes dedi. Ha, rostdan. So whenever you feel alone, whenever qachonki, ya'ni qachon bo'lsa ham, you feel alone. Feel alone degani yolg'iz his qilmoq. You feel alone degani o'zingni yolg'iz his qilsang degan ma'noni beradi.
Really?
Yes. So whenever you feel alone, just remember that those kings will always be there to guide you.
Okay. Just remember. Shunchaki esingda saqla. Yana o'sha verb object formulasi berdi-da. That those kings will always be there to guide you. O'sha qirollar senga to'g'ri yo'l ko'rsatish uchun hamisha shu yerda bo'lishadilar-da. Hamisha o'sha osmonlarda senga qarab turadi. Senga to'g'ri yo'l ko'rsatish uchun. Lekin biz bu narsani hammasi bo'xton ekanligini bilamiz, to'g'rimi? Bu bor yo'q multfilm, shuning uchun unchalik ham e'tibor bermaymiz bu narsaga.
Just remember that those kings will always be there to guide you. And so will I.
And so will I. Va men ham degan. And so will I. Okay. Shu bilan birinchisi tugadi. Endi ikkinchi qismini ko'ramiz. Okay. Get out of here dedi. Yo'qolinglar, ketinglar bu yerdan degani hammasi. Undan keyin I love this dedi. Menga bu juda ham yoqadi. Men buni juda ham yaxshi ko'raman. Bowling for buzzards. Buzzard bizda mana qushlar bor-ku. O'laksa qush deydi adashmasam. Shu o'laksa yeydigan, o'lik go'sht yeydigan, xullas kalom tozalovchi, tabiat tozalovchisi deb ham yuritiladi adashmasam o'sha qushlar. Demak, bowling for buzzards, o'sha qushlarga bowling da o'yin o'ynagan bo'lsangiz kerak, bowling to'pni dumalatib uradi, borib baklashkachalarda qulatib uradi-ku, mana shunaqa ma'noda kelyapti hozir bu yerda.
For buzzards. Gets them every time.
Kulishi boshqacha mana. Gets them every time. Har doim shunga loft tushadi deydimi, nima deydi o'zbekchasiga? Har doim shunga aldanishadi. Har doim gets them every time deb. Bu narsa har doim o'xshaydi, ish beradi degan ma'noda.
Bowling for buzzards. Gets them every time. Uh-oh. Hey, Simone, you better come look. I think it's still alive.
Okay. Hey, Simone, you better come look, dedi. Hey, Simone, kelib ko'rganing yaxshiroq. Ya'ni kelib ko'r. O'sha yaxshisi kelib ko'r ma'nosida. I think it's still alive. I think it is still alive. Menimcha hali ham u tirik.
Hey, Simone, you better come look. I think it's still alive. Alrighty, what do we got here?
Really? Rostdanmi? degan ma'noda. What do we got here? What have we got here? Sorry. What have we got here? Nima ekan bu degan ma'noda. Ya'ni nimamiz bu yerda bizning bor ekan. Ya'ni bu nima ekan ma'nosida.
Alive. Alrighty, what do we got here? Jeez, it's a lion!
Jeez, it's a lion. Jeez bu qisqartmasi Jesus, ya'ni Isus, Iso alayhissalomni. Endi bular Xudo deb biladi-ku xristianlar. O'shanga endi biz xuddiki yo Xudoyim deymiz-ku, bularda xuddi o'shandayda, ya'ni jeez shunaqa ma'noda kelyapti. It's a lion. U sher ekan deyapti. Bu sher ekan-ku, bu sher deb aytyapti.
Jeez, it's a lion! Run, Pumbaa, move it! Hey, Timon!
Run Pumbaa, move it. Qulog'ini ko'rib o'ylagan. Demak, run Pumbaa yugur deyapti. Move it, qimirla, move it.
Jeez, it's a lion! Run, Pumbaa, move it! Hey, Timon, it's just a little lion. Look at him.
It's just a little lion. U bor yo'g'i kichkinagina sher deyapti. Just look at him dedi. Look at him. Unga qarasangchi.
Hey, Timon, it's just a little lion. Look at him. He's so cute and all alone.
He's so cute and all alone. Shunday asalcha va yolg'iz, all alone, butunlay yolg'iz. U juda ham bir yoqimtoy va butunlay yolg'iz. He's so cute. He is so cute.
Look at him. He's so cute and all alone. Can we keep him? Pumbaa, are you nuts? You're talking about a lion. Lions eat.
Okay. Can we keep him deyapti. O'zimizga qoldirsak bo'ladimi? Ya'ni o'zimiz bilan birga olib yursak bo'ladimi? Can we keep him? Saqlab qo'ysak bo'ladimi deb tarjima qilsak sal g'alati bo'ladi. Undan keyin Timon nima deydi? Pumbaa, are you nuts dedi. Ya'ni Pumbaa ahmoqmisan degani, tentakmisan degani. It's a lion. Bu sher. Undan keyin eshitmadim.
Can we keep him? Pumbaa, are you nuts? You're talking about a lion.
Okay, you're talking about the lion ekan. Sen sher haqida gapiryapsan. You are talking about the lion. Sen sher haqida gapiryapsan.
Lions eat guys like us. But he's so...
Lions eat guys like us. Sherlar bizga o'xshagan yigitlarni yeyishadi, ya'ni bizga o'xshaganlarni yeyishadi deyapti.
He's so cute and all alone. Can we keep him? Pumbaa, are you nuts? You're talking about a lion. Lions eat guys like us. But he's so little. He's gonna get bigger. Maybe.
Okay, but he is so little. Biroq juda ham kichkina dedi Pumbaa ekanisi. Timon aytayaptiki, but he is gonna get bigger. Biroq u ulg'ayadi, u kattalashadi, o'sadi deyapti. He is going to get bigger.
A lion. Lions eat guys like us. But he's so little. He's gonna get bigger. Maybe he'll be on our side. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard.
Okay, maybe he'll be on our side. Balkim u biz tomonda bo'lar. Ya'ni balkim u bizga do'st bo'lar degan ma'noda. Undan keyin Timon nima dedi? Tabiiy ravishda, that is the stupidest thing I have ever heard. Okay, you have ever said dedim.
Get bigger. Maybe he'll be on our side. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard.
Okay, I have ever heard. Men hayotimda eshitgan eng ahmoqona, eng tentak gap bo'ldi-da deb aytayapti. Ya'ni mana shu men hayotim mobaynida eshitgan eng ahmoqona gap bo'ldi.
Gonna get bigger. Maybe he'll be on our side. That's the stupidest thing I ever heard. Maybe he'll be... Hey, I've got it.
Maybe he'll deb endi yana aniqlatadi. Biz tomonda bo'larmi deb qoldi. Ya'ni I got it. Точно deymiz-ku biz. Shuni balki degan ma'noda yana qolib qoldi.
What if he's on our side?
What if he is on our side? Yeah, what if he's on our side? Agar rostdan ham biz tomonda bo'lsa-chi, agar rostdan ham bizni yemasdan bizga do'st bo'lsa-chi, biz tarafda bo'lsa-chi deyapti.
Maybe he'll be... Hey, I've got it. What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea.
Okay. You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea. Bilasanmi? Yonimizda sherning bo'lishi u qadar ham yomon g'oya bo'lmasligi mumkin. Ya'ni yonimizda sherning bo'lishi anchagina yaxshi g'oya bo'lishi mumkin degan ma'noda aytayapti.
What if he's on our side? You know, having a lion around might not be such a bad idea. So we're keeping him? Of course. Who's the brains in this outfit?
Okay. So, can we keep him? So we keep him. Demak, biz uni o'zimizda qoldiramizmi deyapti. Ha, albatta, of course, albatta. And who is the brains of this outfit? An outfit bu ma'noda hozir bir o'sha jamoa degan ma'noda kelyapti-da. Bu jamoaning kallasi kim? Ya'ni bu jamoaning boshlig'i kim deyapti-da.
Bad idea.
So we're keeping him?
Of course. Who's the brains in this outfit? My point exactly. Jeez, I'm fried. Let's get out.
Okay. My point exactly. Albatta men deyapti-da. Lekin yana o'sha Jesus-da. Ey Xudoyim, I'm fried. Men qovurildim. I am fried. Men qovurildim. Ya'ni issiqda dabdalam chiqdi, kuyib ketdim degan ma'noda.
My point exactly. Jeez, I'm fried. Let's get out of here and find some shade.
Okay. Let's get out of here and find some shade. Let's get out of here. Bu yerdan ketaylik and find some shade va soya topaylik. Okay, demak ikkinchi klipimiz ham o'z nihoyasiga yetdi va uchinchisini ham eshitamiz.
Whoa, nice one, Simba. Thanks. Man, I'm stuffed.
Okay. Kekirgandan keyin nice one Simba dedi. O, ajoyib kekirish. Kekirdak dedim. Yo'q, ajoyib kekirish dedi. Lekin Simba nima dedi? Man, I'm stuffed. To be stuffed. Bo'kib qolmoq ma'nosida. Ya'ni man degani jo'ra degan ma'noda. Endi bu inglizlarda aynan o'sha amerikaliklarga, inglizlarga mos bo'lgan bir o'sha nima gapirish man deb gapiradi. Ya'ni jo'ra, do'stim, birodar degan ma'noda. Bo'kib qoldim.
Whoa, nice one, Simba. Thanks. Man, I'm stuffed.
Me too. I ate like a pig.
Me too dedi. Ya'ni men ham bo'kib qoldim degan ma'noni beryapti. I ate like a pig dedi. Men xuddi cho'chqaga o'xshab yedim. Cho'chqadek ovqatlandim degan ma'noni beryapti.
Pumbaa, you are a pig.
Okay. Pumbaa, sen o'zi cho'chqasan deyapti. Pumbaa, you are a pig.
Oh, right.
Oh, right. Oh, to'g'ri, rost.
Timon,
Yeah?
ever wonder what those sparkly dots are up there?
Okay. Timon ever wondered. Timon hech qiziqqanmisan? Ever wondered. Hech qiziqib ko'rganmisan? What those sparkling dots are up there. U tepadagi sparkling dots. Mana bu yaltirab turganda, shu nur sochib turgan, yaltirab turgan dots, nuqtalar nima ekanligiga, ya'ni o'shalarni bilishga hech qiziqqanmisan? Ma'nosida kelyapti hozir.
Ever wonder what those sparkly dots are up there?
Pumbaa. I don't wonder. I know.
Pumbaa, I don't wonder. Pumbaa, men qiziqmayman bilishga bu narsalarni. I know, men o'zi bilaman deyapti.
Timon,
Yeah?
ever wonder what those sparkly dots are up there?
Pumbaa. I don't wonder. I know.
Oh, what are they?
They're fireflies. Fireflies that got stuck up in that big bluish black thing.
Oh, gee. I always
Valla Timon haqiqiy tentakda, juda ham nima deydi? Zo'r personaj lekin.
They're fireflies.
They are fireflies deyapti. Ya'ni ular orqasi yonadigan, sariq bo'lib yonadigan nimalar bor-ku, bug, juk deydimi? Pashshalar. Ya'ni fly degani o'sha pashsha degani. Firefly endi o'sha pashshalar orqasi multfilmlarda ham, kinolarda ham ko'rgan bo'lsangiz, orqasi sariq bo'lib yonadi. Shunaqa pashshalar, qo'ng'izlar bor shunaqa. Yonar qo'ng'iz deydimi? Bir narsa qo'ng'iz deydi xullas. Ular o'sha qo'ng'izlar deyapti. They are fireflies. Ular o'sha qo'ng'izlar, orqasi yonadigan qo'ng'izlar, olovli qo'ng'izchalar deyapti.
No.
Oh, what are they?
They're fireflies. Fireflies that got stuck up in that big bluish black thing.
Okay. Fireflies. Fireflies that tekin dedi. Got stuck up in that big bluish black thing dedi. To'g'rimi? Ya'ni o'sha yonadigan qo'ng'izchalar that got stuck up in that. O'sha bluish black thing da, o'sha qora ko'ksimon qora narsani ichiga got stuck up in, o'sha ichida tiqilib qolgan, qotib qolgan. Ya'ni o'sha qora ko'ksimon narsaning ichida, ya'ni osmonning ichiga tiqilib qolgan, qotib qolgan o'sha nima qo'ng'izchalar deyapti. Demak, get stuck up degani tiqilib qolmoq, qotib qolmoq, shu biror narsa ichiga kirib, o'sha yerda tiqilib qolmoq, qotib qolmoq ma'nosini berar ekan.
They're fireflies. Fireflies that got stuck up in that big bluish black thing.
Oh, gee. I always thought they were balls of gas burning billions of miles away.
Okay. I always thought that they were balls of gas burning billions of miles away. Men hamisha o'ylardimki, I always thought, men hamisha o'ylardimki that they were balls of gas. Ular burning billions of miles away. Milliardlab kilometr uzoqlikdagi o'sha masofada, ya'ni bizdan milliardlab kilometr uzoqlikdagi masofada yonayotgan gazli sharlar deb. Ya'ni men hamisha o'ylardimki, ular bizdan milliardlab kilometr uzoqlikdagi masofada yonayotgan gazli sharlar deb o'ylardim degan ma'noda aytyapti. Simon esa просто qo'yib yubordi. Lapshani osdi mashinnik.
They're fireflies. Fireflies that got stuck up in that big bluish black thing.
Oh, gee. I always thought they were balls of gas burning billions of miles away.
Pumbaa, with you, everything's gas.
Okay, Pumbaa, with you, everything is gas. Pumbaa, sen bilan hamma narsa gazdir, deyapti. Ya'ni anoda qaysidir epizodida ham suvni ichida o'tirgan bo'ladi, biliq qilib turgan bo'ladi-ku. Bular o'ylashadi, haqiqiy jakuzi yer tagidan kelyapti desa, Pumbaa shunday suvdan chiqib ketgandan keyin jakuzisi ham biliq ham birdaniga to'xtab qoladi-ku. Aynan o'sha narsaga bu hozir nima qilyapti? Ishora qilinayotgan ma'noda. Ya'ni Pumbaa, with you everything is gas. Sen bilan hamma narsa gazdir degan ma'noda aytyapti.
Away.
Pumbaa, with you, everything's gas.
Simba, what do you think?
Okay. Simba, what do you think? Sen nima deb o'ylaysan?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, come on,
well,
give
Simba,
Simba.
Nah.
We told you ours. Please.
Well,
Give?
somebody once told me that the great kings of the past are up there.
Somebody once told me, kimdir menga qachonlardir aytgandi, that the great kings of the past are up there. O'tmishning buyuk o'sha qirollari o'sha yoqda tepada ekanligini qaytada eshitamiz.
Simba,
We told you ours. Please.
Well,
Give?
somebody once told me that the great kings of the past are up there, watching over us.
Okay, watching over us. Bizga, ya'ni boya shu watching over us, bizga tepadan qarab turishibdi. Bizga tepadan qarab turgan o'sha o'tmishning buyuk qirollari o'sha tepada. Watch over ya'ni yana nafaqat tepadan qarab turmoq, ya'ni uni ikkinchi ma'nosi o'sha g'amxo'rlik qilib turmoq ma'nosida ham.
Please.
Well,
Give?
somebody once told me that the great kings of the past are up there, watching over us.
Really?
You mean a bunch of royal dead guys are watching us?
Okay. You mean a bunch of royal dead guys are watching us? Sen bir qancha o'lik odamlarni, ya'ni guys endi bu yerda bu yumshatib, ya'ni hazilomuz qilib aytyapti-da. Endi royal guys deyilmaydi-ku, ya'ni o'sha boy, badavlat va o'sha nima deydi, qirollikka, saltanatga aloqador bo'lgan odamlarda, o'sha qirolicha, o'shanga o'xshaganlar. Sen o'sha saltanatga aloqador bo'lgan bir qancha odamlar tepadan bizga qarab turganligini nazarda tutyapsanmi deyapti-da.
For us.
Really? You mean a bunch of royal dead guys are watching us?
Who told you something like that?
Yeah.
Who told you something like that? Kim senga bunaqangi narsani aytdi deyapti.
Yeah.
What mook made that up?
Okay. What mook made that up? Qanday ahmoq bu narsani o'ylab topdi? Mook degani ham o'sha ahmoq degan ma'noni beradi. Qanday ahmoq bu narsani o'ylab topdi degan ma'noda.
Who told you something like that?
Yeah.
What mook made that up?
Yeah. Pretty dumb, huh?
Okay. Yeah, pretty dumb. Ha, deyapti. Ha, haqiqatan ham ahmoqona narsa, ahmoqona fikr degan ma'noda.
What mook made that up?
Yeah. Pretty dumb, huh?
Oh, you're killing me, son.
Oh, you're killing me, Simba dedi. Oh, o'ldirasan-da Simba degan ma'noda.
Oh.
Was it something I said?
Was it something I said? Men biror narsa deb qo'ydimmi? Ya'ni men biror narsa deganim uchun ketdimi? Ma'nosida aytyapti-da. Men biror narsa dedimmi? Men biror narsa deganim sabablimi? Degan ma'noda kelyapti. Shu bilan bugungi tahlilimiz o'z nihoyachasiga yetdi. Umid qilaman, ancha-muncha narsani o'rgandik va tahlil ham qiziq bo'ldi. Biroz cho'zilib ketdi-yu, o'ylamagandim bunchalik cho'zilib ketadi deb, lekin qiziq bo'ldi, yaxshi bo'ldi, foydali bo'ldi deb umid qilaman. Keyingi darsda Xudo xohlasa o'sha kommentariyalarda yozib qoldirgan takliflaringiz bo'yicha birikta rolik tayyorlashga harakat qilaman. O'rganamiz, eshitamiz, hammasini ko'rib chiqamiz. Ungacha yana kommentariyada o'z fikrlaringizni qoldiring, yozib va agar rolik darslik yoqqan bo'lsa, like bosishni unutmang. Tabiiy ravishda kanalga ham obuna bo'lib qo'ying agarda bunaqangi kontent siz uchun qiziq va foydali bo'ladigan bo'lsa. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha, xayr.